Hey friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writer's Atelier channel where I, Paige, am going to give us all a pep talk in a 60-second video. Today, this Monday, I just wanted to start out by saying that you are really doing it. Like all the time, we don't feel like real writers. And we feel like we're not real writers for the silliest reasons. We tell ourselves that we'll feel established once we have more books released, or once we get our first story published, or once we hit a certain number of followers on Instagram or Facebook. And the fact of the matter is, we're already doing it. And yes, we will accomplish wonderful things in the future if we keep going and pressing on and working hard. But don't forget that you're already accomplishing wonderful things right now. Celebrate things in the moment, big and small, and I will see you next Monday. Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all of the links down below, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.